Here I'll be showing you how you can produce the auxiliary views of these given objects whose orthographic views are given. As you can see here, this is the front elevation and this is the plan. It means that these views are given in first angle orthographic projection. So the first thing I'm going to do is to show you how you can produce the auxiliary plan on this plane x1 y1, which is inclined at an angle 60 degrees to the horizontal. And what you just need to do, as I usually say, is for you to replicate these views. So you replicate these views with the use of the given dimensions. So once you are done with that, you go on and produce the auxiliary plan, auxiliary elevation. And what you just need to do is that I've replicated what, as I said, that we need to replicate the given views, which I've done here. And then we have plane x1 y1, which is inclined at an angle 60 degrees to the horizontal. So for us to produce the auxiliary plan on each point that we have on the elevation, we have to draw a line at with a 30 degrees set square, which should be at the right angle to the plane x1 y1. So I've drawn some of them, so I'm going to continue. So from here, so I will draw this now. Then from this point I will draw, and also, so from this point we draw from this point, and also from this point here I will draw this. So having drawn the line, so the next thing that we need to do is that so we take the distance. I think this is 40 millimeters, so this is 40. So we take the distance, so we put at this point here on plane x1 y1, and I will take a measurement of 40 millimeters. So from here to here, so this is 40 millimeters. So with 60 degrees side of my set square, I will draw this line from here to here. Okay, so now, as I usually say, for us to be able to draw the auxiliary plan, we need to produce the isometric view of the object, so which I've done here. So this is the isometric view. This is the isometric view of the object. It makes our work easier if you are able to produce the isometric view. So looking at this object, we are looking at it in this direction. I'm going to see this rectangle, I will see this shape, I will see this rectangle, and I will see this. So everything is already here. For this rectangle that we can see here, this rectangle is already here. So this shape has come out here already. So what I'm going to do is that, so I'm going to make this with a thick line. Let's take it one by one. Join this together like this. Join this together like this. And then, so let's make it a rectangle at once. Okay, so that rectangle has come out. So the next thing that I have here is to bring out this shape that we have here. This shape that we have here, that's the next thing I'm going to show you now. So distance that we have from here to here, distance that we have from here to here, so it is from this point to this point here, from this point to this point. So if we go on this line, we have already located this point as we have here. So this point, we have located it from here. So on this side, it's on this side, so on this part here, so we already have it here. And so then this point here, so we have it here now. So then what about distance from here to here? Distance from here to here. So where do we have it? So this point here, so we still have it at this point, so which is here. But this point that we have here, is at this point here. This point here, so this point that we have here, so is at this point. So I just need to go here, and don't forget that it's on this side, so which is this side. So if I move like this, so I follow this line and have it at this point. So what I need to do now, so is to join this point and this point together. There is it. So I'll join this point together like this. Okay, then this will be a thick line. and this will also be a thick line. So that's how it's going to look like. So, and then as I said that we are going to see this rectangle. We are going to see this rectangle. So where do we have this rectangle here? So for this rectangle, so where do we have it? So it starts from here, start from this point, so which is this point, and it goes up. So it is from here to here. This is its shape in the front elevation. So it goes from here to here. So from this point, it goes to this point here. So if I follow this line like this, so this is the point. Okay, then also from this point, so which is this point, it goes up from here to here. So that means we have it here at this point here. So we have this point. So I will connect this together like this. Connect this together like this. Okay, so this will be a thick line, and this will also be a thick line. All right, so the remaining part, which is this rectangle, or this shape that we have here, so it is from here to here. So all I need to do now is to draw this together. So this point that we have here, so all I need to do is to bring out the shape. So I'll just distance from here to here is distance from here to here, and distance from here to here is distance from here to here. So I'll just make this a thick line. So make this a thick line, and I'll join this together with a thick line. Okay. All right, so looking at what we have here, we are not done. We still have something to do here. So as I said, that there is a line down here that we can't see, that is hidden from us in the plan. So this line, we can't see it, and it is located here. So all I need to do is to come here. So from this point down to this point, so we have the line. So I'll just make this with short dashes line. This is it. All right, so this is how the auxiliary plan will look. So all you need to do is to practice. When you practice, you master it. Thank you for watching, and thank you for listening. God bless you.